I love you because you make me feel loved. You are my home, and I am so happy that we decided to build a home together. Through the good and the bad, because life isn't always easy, but it will be 1,000,000 times easier with you by my side. I can't wait to be your wife. I made it.
Harald and Judith, but you're here today because you've made a choice. You've made a choice for each other, you've made a choice for your lives, you've made a choice that all of us are here to celebrate together. And you're both choosing each other, which is the most important thing. You've chosen to be with someone who enhances you, who makes you think, who makes you smile, and who makes every day brighter.
You're about to make a promise to each other that you intend to keep. You're going to vow to take care of each other, to stand up for one another, and find happiness in the other. There's a simple premise to each of these promises. You're vowing to be there for the other.
Looking back, I think it was actually that moment before our very first date, when I saw you walking towards me with your beautiful blonde mane and your big, beautiful smile. I wanted to kiss you right then and there. That's when I first fell in love with you. And that's when I hatched my evil plan. You're so loving, caring, strong, and so beautiful. Then I want to be there to support you and our family in the same way, in the best way that I can. I love you so much, and don't think for 1 second I don't know how lucky I am. And I can't wait to be this lucky for the rest of our lives.
Today, I get to stand up in front of everyone we love and tell you I love you. I love you because you make me smile, and you make me happy in small ways, like when you always let me have the last piece of pizza. I love you because you challenge me, because you take me seriously even when I don't take myself seriously, because you see my strengths and never focus on my weaknesses, because you believe in me no matter what. But most of all, I love you because you make me feel loved.
But everything is, and what is that shall be, and what shall be that will pass. But we will think of Judith and Harald, filled with joy, a memorable day. This is the celebration of your love.
You were so happy together in this picture, and we witnessed it together, and it was a great time. And now we are all here so happy with you. We wish you lots of love and happiness.
Judith and Harald, to a beautiful life with them together and to having a friendship forever. Cheers, guys.
You're an absolutely amazing friend, and knowing you is an absolute privilege. And I love you, and I will always cherish you for the rest of my life.
I wish you and your beautiful bride, Judith, many years of love and happiness together.
May your days be full of joy, laughter, and accomplishment. May your best dreams come true, and may you dream better ones forevermore. We love you guys.